In this video, I will talk about making a quick city modeling in Blender. Firstly, we type GitHub Blender GIS on Google. Copy the link to the website and click on the code. Download the zip file. Then open the Blender. Delete the box. Click on Edit and select Preference. Under the Add-on section, click Install. Find the install zip file and install add-on. Then set up cache folder. Then click Save Preference. Go to GIS, select Web Geodata, click Base Map. Now it will open up World Map in Blender. You have to choose a city what you like. I want to do the Gold Coast. I'm zooming in on the Gold Coast. Then press E to export it. Then go to GIS, click Web Geodata, select Get OSM. Then hold on Shift click and drag your mouse to select all of them and press OK. Now it's loaded all the city with buildings. Thank you for watching.